this might just be one of the crazier things I've done. But today is my best friend's sister's birthday. And I woke up this morning and I was like, I was gonna get her a Starbucks gift card, but then I was like, I give better presents than that. And I decided to make a dress today in like 5 hours to give to her later. She's a huge Taylor Swift fan. Her name is Scout. She's a giant Taylor Swift fan. And I thought I could make the Taylor Swift Grammy dress, the one with the flowers on it, because I was walking through my Joann's the other day and that fabric has been out of stock in like the Joann's everything, in stores, online for forever. I didn't think that they were going to be getting it back. Well, lo and behold, I'm walking through like the lace section and the kind of imitation lace fabric that they have that looks like that dress. They have a whole bolt of it, 8 yards of it in stock. So I went onto the Joann's app this morning and I ordered 2 yards of it, and we're gonna make a dress today for her to wear, and I think she's gonna love it. And the only thing I'm worried about is A, making sure it fits her, and B, doing it in a matter of 5 hours. So we need to get started, and this is gonna be crazy. Hello, this is Advertisement Lex coming in to tell you that I have listed a few of my dresses for sale in my Etsy shop. I have no more space in my closets, and as I keep making things, I'm just running out of room. So I decided I need to start selling some of the things I make, which makes me so sad because I want to keep them all, but I can't because I just don't have room. So if you are maybe interested in buying one of the dresses I've made in the past, definitely go check out my Etsy. It'll be linked in the description box below, and I will be updating the listings there frequently. I think from now on out, I might have to sell every project I do just because I literally have zero space. So until I'm able to get more space, I cannot keep it. So go check that out if you want to and are interested, and I hope you find something that you love. I'd like to use fabric that I have for the base of it. The original dress is kind of nude underneath. I don't know if I want it to be all the way nude. I have this left over from a dress I just finished. This would be good. I don't know. I have so much fabric that I always forget about, and I always keep buying more of it, but really I don't need to keep buying more because I do have a lot, but like I just need like something satin. But the problem is most of these things are really specific. I do have another bin though. Let me get that. I have this icy blue. I have this purple. I have this green, and I have this tan. So my online order at Joann's is ready to go pick up. So we need to go pick that fabric up and then come back and figure out what we want to do. It's a good start. And it's not like a very big dress, so I don't really need a whole lot of fabric. I bought 2 yards of the lace fabric because I wanted enough to get the job done, but I think it will be way more than I actually need. So that means I'll have leftovers, but I need to go pick that up because it's 10:30 and ideally this will be done by 2. Is it gonna happen? Probably not. Luckily, I'm pretty close to Joann's, so it's not a long drive. We're gonna run in and pick it up. I did curbside pickup because I knew if I was shopping, I would get distracted and buy other things. This way, I'm just getting what I need. Okay, I'm gonna run in, I'm gonna pick up the order and leave, and I'm not gonna get sidetracked, though I will have to come out again to get a zipper, but I'm not gonna get one here. I got it. Why are the ladies at Joann's always so mean, though? Okay, let's do a quick car unboxing. There's like these old people talking right next to my car, so they're gonna see me doing this, but whatever. I don't care. Here it is. This is the inside of it. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I have wanted to get this fabric for so long, so I'm so glad that I'm finally doing it, and it's gonna be so pretty. Scout's gonna love it. I wish it was for me, but that's okay. I also love to give. Compare this fabric to the dress, and it's so similar. It's so amazing. I think this fabric would be the best to have under it, but I don't know if I have enough. I have the most of the green stuff, but I feel like the green is too dark. I don't know what to do. Looking at this, I actually think there will be enough. I bought on Etsy just a basic bodice block to use. I thought that would be the easiest thing, and I just lost my train of thought. Oh, so Scout is smaller than me. She's much shorter than me, but I asked Savannah this morning what size she wears, and it's my size. I don't know if Savannah's right about that. I'm gonna trust what Savannah said. I think I'm gonna make it to fit me, but like just on the smaller end and the shorter end because she's much shorter than me. So I have this bodice block that I got, and I'm going to just cut this because it's a high neck thing anyway, and I'll have to do the sleeves without a pattern, but that's okay. So I'm going to cut this out of the satin because it's gonna take a little bit of thought behind where to cut the lace out. We'll do the satin first. I'm gonna sew the bodice pieces as one, so I need to baste them together. Here's the satin. I'm a little nervous that I don't have enough for the skirt, but that's not right now's problem. That's an hour from later's problem. And then here's this, and I need to stitch around them to make it one. I'm noticing it's very like sparse up here with the flowers, so I think I'm gonna cut out appliques of them to put up here. When it's all done, I'm gonna do that. So worried whether this is gonna fit. I genuinely have no idea. I really don't know. I guess I need to pay more attention to Scout. I don't know if this is gonna fit her. It looks good on here, but I don't know. I just don't know. I'm trying it on, and if it's fine on me, I just don't know what her measurements are compared to mine, because she's just so much smaller than, like, this fits. It's not like the most perfect fit, but I mean, it fits. I need to make the armholes bigger. It's a little gapey right here, but oh well. I don't know. But actually, it's kind of a cute top. I was trying to figure out a sleeve pattern, and I just kind of winged it. I'm usually pretty good. Oh, I thought I saw a spider. I'm usually pretty good at figuring out sleeve patterns. These take me a couple times. I think I got a good pattern. It's not going to be skin tight. I thought that this lace would have stretch to it, and it doesn't. So I had to make it a little roomier so that you could move around. But I think I have it, and it kind of flares out at the bottom. It's really cute. Y'all, this is such a sleigh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It's a little small on me. I think it should fit her. I put both the sleeves in. Look at that sleeve. Let me get closer. Look at that. I'm gonna add, like I said, appliques on here to fill it out. This is just the base of it. And then I'll add a zipper. I think it will fit her. If it doesn't, I would be surprised. But if it doesn't, I can just alter it for her. But oh my gosh, it's so kind of like 70s. Oh, I can't wait. I've got that top right there. Now we're working on the skirt. I scrounged up all the pieces I could of that matte satin I was showing you, and I barely have enough. Let me show you what I have of this. It's gonna be enough. I look so bedraggled because I was trying it on. This is all that I was able to collect. So it's like 17 inches long. It's long enough. So I'm sewing it together. At first I wanted to do a paneled skirt and not a lot of gathering in the waist, but I'm gonna try gathering this up first to see how bulky it makes it, and we'll go from there because it might look good a little bit gathered, kind of like stray a little bit from the original because it's already more of an interpretation dress than like a direct copy. So I'll gather the skirt and I'll see if it looks good, and if not, then I can panel it. But there is enough to go all the way around, so at least we have that. I'm filling in this top part right here just with hot glue. I cut the flowers out, and I did not actually have any fabric left. There's like nothing left of the 2 yards, which is crazy. I thought I would have left over, but that's okay. And so I'm gluing this on. I'm quickly running out of time. It's already 2. I've not even taken a break for lunch. Like, I've been working non-stop, and the bummer is I still need to go out and get a zipper. I guess I should have gotten it while I was in Joann's, but I was stupid. So yeah, we're gluing these on. It looks pretty good. I can't really tell what it's gonna actually look like right now. I haven't tried it on yet. I need the zipper, and I am just making it, praying that it's gonna fit. And if it doesn't, that's really sad. So I need to keep gluing all of these on. Here's the back. I am quickly running out of time. I need to get to this store and get a zipper. I can't believe that in my whole collection of stuff, I don't have a single zipper. And it is like 2:30. I have no time. Gotta hurry, I'm gonna drive so fast. I got the zipper, and I got some tissue paper as well. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do a normal zipper or an invisible zipper, so I got one of each. So I have options. And this dress just needs a zipper now. So we're gonna go add that really quick, and then we can wrap it up, and I will take it over and pray that it fits. I don't know what I'm gonna do if it doesn't. I found out I actually have a little bit more time. I thought I had to beat, oh, look at this clip I got at Target. Isn't it so cute? It reminded me of Fairytopia, like Barbie, so I bought it, and it's just perfect. Anyway, I actually have more time. Well, I still want to get it done. I'm almost done. I'm adding the zipper right now, and it's a struggle, but we got to do it. Its birthday theme is gold because it's her golden birthday. So I got a gold box, and it's in here, and we're gonna go drive over right now. Do you know what it is?
No.
Nobody knows.
I know. I know.
I didn't tell Savannah what it was.
Oh.
Oh.
It's amazing. I need to go pick it up.
Here's Spin. Oh, it's so cute.
inside.